Another shorter one for you. This is the rest of my tending to the indoor herb garden. Hope you enjoy it. I went out and looked around, and this is what I came up with for planters. I don't know how big I need my planters. This is what I will do for now. These are 6-inch pots that you put geranium in, those size pots. I'm going to put the mammoth basil and sweet basil on these. Basil is one that they say actually likes being crowded, and so I'll put a bunch of plants in there and have a nice big ball of basil in each one. And I'm going to plant parsley and Chinese celery. So that'll be for my indoor garden. And because I'm going to be away for a couple of weeks, and for any other future reference, the idea of putting that wicking material in, I'm going to do that with all my planters. That's planters that I intend to have plants in for a long time, not my transplants. So they're back there. In this one I'm going to put lime basil and see if it grows any better after I transplant it up. How many do I have? I have 3 out of an initial 6. See, it has a fairly large root system, so I don't know why they don't grow very well. Now there's actually 3 plants in this one. This one don't have as much of a root system. Now this one actually looked healthier than the other ones, and it had a bigger root system. Neither of these ones look really unhealthy, has so much of a root system. This was pre-moistened, so I don't need to moisten the top. I'll just put this back here and water the tray after I get everything done here. I think I will put parsley in this one. Very nice root system on the bottom of the parsley. Now I have more parsley than these 2 containers, but I'm going to plant the rest outside when the proper planting time comes. Okay, so there's the parsley. Chinese celery. You know, I think I want to put the Chinese celery in a deeper pot. And I didn't fill this pot right up, so looks like I won't have to take any soil out of this one. Now this one was getting root bound. So he's going to like being put over here now. I never checked on the internet what to use these for, but I tasted it and it tastes exactly like your regular stock celery that we get in the grocery store. So my assumption right now is that you can use them in any place you use your regular celery. There's actually 4 plants in this one. Look at the sign, label back out to the edge. And now for the basil. This is sweet basil. To do this the easier way, I'm going to take out a bunch of soil. This was another bucket I had to fix with duct tape. It was a healthy plant. There's actually several plants in each one, so I'll just put in as many as I can fit by just putting the whole block down. And it looks like that's going to be 4. Making a mess in my dining room. Because I have them, I'm going to do this time. I'm going to put all 4 labels back in here, facing outward, so that I can read it no matter which way I have them turned. Which I'm going to do that with the lime basil as well. This is mammoth basil. Not quite root bound, this one. Oh, this one got roots coming out the bottom. Let's see what happens there. Not root bound though, it was just trying to get its roots out the bottom. That is a sunflower. And no, I'm not going to throw them out. I'm going to separate them and put them in that other pot I got there. Another one getting root bound. This one before he goes into shock. There, that's my bay window herb garden. those in the smaller containers, they will be going out into the outdoor garden when the time comes. And then I'll have the other ones as house plants. And I may add some, well, I probably will add other varieties to this in time.